wish I was a monkey. I'd sleep in the trees. I'd do my best to imitate the man who does his best not to imitate me. You know I'd have thumbs just like a man, but none of the obligations. Yeah, everything I'm tied to now would be gone. Gone, 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 gone. I'd like to be a monkey, be monkeys with you, 'cause I'm a monkey by myself with a lot of shit to do. I'd like to be a monkey, be monkeys with you, 'cause I'm a monkey by myself. Trouble with my family, I'm in trouble with the law, I'm in trouble financially. I guess you could say I get in trouble a lot. I dance frantically in passion, I blame emotions and apathies, but all I wanna do is swing in a tree, away from the agony of love and sex and drugs, love and sex and drugs of love and sex and drugs and all of the lack thereof. I'd like to be a monkey, be monkeys with you, 'cause I'm a monkey by myself with a lot of shit to do. I'd like to be a monkey, be monkeys with you, 'cause I'm a monkey by myself. I'd be very, very funky. An abundance of bananas, monkey bitches, and the skunky. Big red eyes and a big red ass. Chillin' in my monkey bungalow made of sticks and grass. The monkey life is the life for me. Not a pirate or an MC. MC Spider Monkey, the fly white honky, the king of the jungle, the pimp in the palm trees, dipping and sipping on coconut wine, and blinging out my rings, busting out my rhymes, cruising in my pint-sized Escalade, smoking Philly blunts in the shade. This monkey's got it made.
Funky dance with your monkey now. Well, hey now, dirty. Dirty. Well, I don't something, well, I don't something, well, I don't something strange.
floor, red Belvedere. Sweat beads on his forehead in the crisp autumn air. All the ladies they had gathered. Old Gus knew his time was near. Gus was waiting in a gold room with a fancy chandelier. All the ladies dripped with diamonds. Smoke rose from a table in the rear. The bar was made of cold, cold stone. Behind it stood a foreign man. All the liquor had been drunk up by those monkeys in the band. Gus was waiting in a cold room with a fancy chandelier. All the people they had gathered, his hand was trembling with fear. Ivory dice and lands on clean green fell. The winner's cheek is taken back. Watch the loser as he rises from his chair, and he heads for the subway track. Money, it's been known to break its men, and it pays to see the cracks. But sometimes it has to end like this, with everybody dressed in black.